You just go there, you know, hey, what do I know, right? Must be a bar, drink, competition without breaking the damn bottle, right? Well, I don't do that for that. I'm trying to juggle more than fucking one bottle eventually. Hey, check this trick out, alright? And make sure you clean your ears first. That's just in case you don't have a fucking goddamn ashtray, right? Or somewhere to put it down. Now, it's vital that you go to a beach or to the beach with a windproof lighter. Believe it. Anywho, now weed. Weed away. All right, dude. All right. Anywho. Fried rice. So I'm gonna try to do this. Well, without doing that. I don't know. It's a beautiful day, right? So, hi, hi. There's the captain.